I bet you didn't know your kitchen could be this smart. Get ready to meet the coolest gadgets of 2025. First up, we have the Smart Fridge 3000. This isn't just any fridge, it's got built-in AI that learns your grocery habits and even suggests recipes based on what's inside. Say goodbye to expired leftovers. Next, let's talk about the Auto Chef Pro. This robot chef can whip up gourmet meals with just a few taps on your smartphone. Perfect for when you're too busy to cook but still want a delicious dinner. Now, onto the Hydro Grow countertop garden. Imagine having fresh herbs and veggies right on your kitchen counter all year round. With automated watering and LED grow lights, it's like having a green thumb without the effort. Fourth on our list is the Instabrew Smart Coffee Maker. This bad boy syncs with your morning alarm to brew the perfect cup of joe just as you wake up. Plus, it remembers how you like your coffee. Talk about a morning game changer. Finally, meet the CleanBot 5000. This little robot not only vacuums your floors, but also mops and sanitizes. Your kitchen will sparkle with zero effort from you. So there you have it, the top 5 must-have kitchen gadgets for 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.